Just freaking sell already. Yes, maybe I'm not behind the revolution, but that happened 2-3 years ago. Keith Gill went and testified to Congress and didn't do any jail time, walked away with $30 million, and everyone else has been holding the bag. So yes, there's a good revolution behind the whole GME phenomenon when Roaring Kitty used to post a bunch of stuff with how he went long, like $50,000, and he wasn't using options. He was just holding the stock and created a following that attacked the short sellers and made a giant short squeeze in the stock. Well, what happened here recently? Just a few days ago, we have GME. Look at this monthly candle. This thing is a shooting star. Look at that long wick. Man, everyone that's bought up GME, they should have sold. This guy eventually went to $400 back during the pandemic, but it has been in a considerable decline now where the people that were in got out. This is not a breakout. This, to me, is more shorting going on. And unfortunately, the people holding the bags is the retail investor. This is not a viable asset to bet your money on, bet your life on. There's a thing called the exception versus the rule. Keith Gill, aka Roaring Kitty, is the exception. And why did all this pump? Well, GME pumped like 100% a few days ago because he started posting on Twitter. And now he's been continuing to post pretty frequently every hour. And it's all these just silly little memes. And that is really the only reason behind. Fundamentally, GameStop is going somewhat out of business. You know, they're closing stores, and this is not something to where it is an up-and-coming mover that you should really be investing your money in. And so for that, I am just warning everybody that if you're still holding and you are somewhat green, now would be the last chance for you to get out because it is not going to happen again. Robinhood halted trading yet again on GME to prevent people from continuing to buy and push this thing up again. It's not going to happen anymore. That was a one-time deal. The big money at play, they're going to make sure that they're not losing out. They are not going to lose billions of dollars. So again, the way you create wealth is by having good investments and time over time. Yes, you can hit home runs here and there. However, betting all your money on one home run that has already hit a home run is not going to happen. If we look at what is it? AMC pumped as well, and it's not doing that good anymore either. It is now declined. There's the pump, and then there is the considerable dump. AMC is more of a viable company than GameStop when it comes to business-wise. They're have theaters. They're doing okay. Yes, there's home stuff. They now have somewhat of an app. They're doing better. Where GameStop, until they can figure out how to stream games to people via the cloud, that company is unfortunately going under. This is Johnny Crypto here to help you guys save some effing money.